Hello students, in last video we seen just introduction about what is cyber security, why it is important and some basic terms like computer network and internet. In this video we will start the syllabus. Your first unit is unit 1 is introduction to cybercrime. These are the points we are going to cover in this unit. Cybercrime definition and origins of word, cybercrime and information security, classifications of cybercrime, cybercrime and the Indian ITA 2000, a global perspective on cybercrime. The rapid growth of internet and more number of websites gives rise to new way to exploitation of internet. Here exploitation is nothing but misuse of internet. We can call this misuse of internet as a cybercrime. Okay, cybercrime activities involve the use of computers, internet, cyberspace and websites. We can call that www, World Wide Web. Next we will see some definitions of cybercrime and how the term cyber is originated. The first definition they have given for cybercrime is, it is any illegal behavior directed by means of electronic operations that targets the security of computers and data processed by them. Here illegal behavior means what? Which is against the law. What the cyber criminals will do, no cyber crime, they will do this cyber crime against the law. And how they will do this cyber crime? By using the electronic operations. The examples for electronic operations are sending an email, online payment, online shopping, etc. This illegal behavior, what it will do? It will break the security of computers and the data present in a computer. So, we will see the next definition. The next definition of cybercrime is a crime committed using the computer and the internet to steal a person's identity or sell contraband or stalk victims or disrupt operations with malicious programs. What they have told here in this definition, how the cyber criminals will do the cyber crime? By using the computer and the internet. What they will do? They will steal the person's information like his name, his phone number, his bank account number, etc. And they may sell the property of a person or a data related to that person illegally to other persons or a third party illegally. Here contraband is nothing but selling a property of a person or a data of a person to third party or a other person illegally. Next, what they will do? They will do stalking of victims. Here stalking is nothing but the cyber criminal will follow the person without knowing him. They will watch the activities of that person and they will harass them. How they will harass? By using these emails, phone numbers. By using these all, they will harass them. Here victim means who? The victim means whom they are following or harassing. Next, what they will do? They will disrupt the operations of computers and computer networks by using some malicious programs. What are malicious programs here? For example, inserting a virus. By inserting a virus, they will disturb the computer or computer network by using a internet. Next is basically two types of attacks, technocrime and techno-vandalism. The first one is technocrime. What is technocrime? This is premeditated act against a system with the intent to copy or steal, corrupt or otherwise damage parts or complete computer system. What they will do here in this kind of cyber crimes? Here premeditated means pre-planned. Using these type of attacks, attackers what they will do? They will copy or steal or corrupt the data present in a computer, or they will damage the parts or a complete computer system. The next is techno-vandalism. In this kind of attacks, they will do the defacement of websites. It means this kind of attack on website will change the visual appearance of site. See the image there. I have provided now. See that image. In that web page, it looks like a Google web page. But instead of Google, the website word will be there. Okay? They have changed the appearance or the sentence is whatever present in that web page. No, they will change that. This is called as defacement of website. And by using these kind of attacks, they will do some other activities like copying of files, publishing the important contents of business publicly. The next is the cyber crimes differ from other crimes by these four ways. How the cyber crimes will differ from other crimes? They have given 4 points. Committing this cyber crime is a very easier and it is very easy to learn. And to commit the cyber crimes, they require only few resources relative to potential damage caused. Example for this kind of cyber crime is by using a single remote, we can blast a bomb. The damage will be more. How they were committing a cyber crime here? By clicking one button in a remote. The third one is they can be committed in jurisdiction without being physically present in it. Suppose I am blasting a bomb in our college. It is not necessary to present that person in college itself. He can sit somewhere and he will do that activity. The fourth one is they are not clearly illegal. It means some cyber criminals are there or some software professionals are there. They will do the cyber crimes by using law or legally they will do. So some cyber crimes are not clearly illegal. Next we will see how the cyber word is originated. Here cyber means it is combination of many forms. Those are related to information technology, internet and virtual reality. Then what is virtual reality? It is artificial environment that is created with the help of software and presented to the user and make them to feel as a real environment. Whatever we are creating a artificial environment by using a software, we will feel them as a real environment. For example, the example for this virtual reality is playing 3D games. The environment which is provided there, we can call that as a virtual reality. The next is how the term cyber is originated. It is originated from cybernetics word, which deals with the information and its usage. Thank you. The next we will see in a next video.